Here? Okay. Let's go.
Yeah, that's why I say only Inception that can have a death. Like after the first, which one was it? The cat and orc.
And that was Inception.
On P4 you still can have death unless if you are not a beacon then it's fine.
Oh, rotation fail. More of this.
Oh, you wanna go? Okay. Hey.
I mean, there are machinists you can show.
Last time the other machinist was winning. I'm waiting for the day that I'm car crashing with Zhao on Nisi.
When do you have time to think?
Any?
Any?
Yeah. I don't have static now.
Oh, right. There's no salvage yet.
Yup.
Let me check if I have time tomorrow. I don't know if I have rates.
Do you wanna do P2 Pro?
Yeah, it's a pro.
Okay. You know, if we have enough people that know P, we can do P2 Pro without passing Nisi, yeah?
Oh, don't pass the missiles?
Yeah, you
Just to see
can.
entire phase?
Yes.
I think I'll wait at least a week. Let's see.
That's fine. You still can go fresh too.
I need 4 weapons from here and then I'll do T.
4?
How many weapons?
4.
Total
only
or
4?
plus 4 now?
Plus 4. So
Plus
4
4.
more clears of you car and I'll be
5
happy.
total.
Yeah, we are playing. But maybe I'll get tired.
We need to clear 4 times in a row.
Yes.
Okay, it's I forgot.
It's stack, it's stack.
Second fire hat. Shovel. Thunder sight.
I am Thunder, I am Thunder.
Hello, Thunder.
In.
Hello.
Okay. Thunder set. Fire. Spread them out. Do that. Check
Oh, I have
thunder.
lightning.
Fire.
Oh, I have doom.
Good practice.
That's
Yeah, that was far.
Dragons are very funky. They are flying. It goes back into the first.
He just laughs at me.
I'll be a second. And tower
What the
third.
fuck?
Stack.
Oh, wait. Wow. Oh, I did. This is away from A. Be scared.
She died once, it's over.
It's okay, guys, don't worry about horse. It's broken anyway.
No, it's fixed.
Oh, it's
It's
fixed. Oh,
fixed. Yeah,
oh
already.
shit. What are you gonna upload? Are you gonna upload?
I don't know how to upload.
Yeah, that's the point.
The,
Mine is
I
broken, so I can't.
Update?
Go.
It's one button.
I stopped DPS when we hit
What?
60%. Yeah. Why press the buttons if the buttons don't matter?
Iron Man. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
No, I don't want to 3. I get 100 gauge stuff. Stretch my hands.
Oh, what? Only the hands that stretch?
Huh?
Huh?
Oh?
Track the knuckles.
Window, open there. One power. Stop putting them on me. What the fuck? It's like 3 on me. Okay.
Oh, Simo was watching the VOD and then he's like, you said it on your VOD that you don't want to do Reclears anymore. What are you doing right now?
All that, let's see.
In and spread.
Oh,
Fetch. Spread.
I swear Shelly had me link together.
And then he says like, and then you say, fuck Simo. Wow, that's not nice.
you did.
This is joking. You know me. And he's like, I know you.
Big pellets for. Look for dragons. There we go. He also the right. And move. 1 tower under now. Oh my fucking god. Almost fucking killed me. Yeah, stay on the edge.
Oh my god!
Freaking
We got 3 orbs in our ass.
Park heal for.
Oh, we hit hits.
I slept. Yes. Okay. Oh, should I?
Wish
No.
I can say that
Oh.
I'm building my gauge, but
Hello?
I don't.
We could have 2 invulnerable Shelly. Okay, I'll figure it out later.
Maybe I should have used it during Ensfall to not die because they got hit
Maybe.
with the dive. Anyways,
Anyways, what is this? I'll take a Shelly.
I got AoE.
I got A.
Face.
Middle, heal. Can go up a bit short, but I have a protect healing. I fucking sprinted.
Wow,
Need to bring
laughing.
back the no sprint.
They laughed at me. So how dare you?
You're the one who says that? I don't want to hear from you.
I mean,
Well, you know what I mean.
anything. Nefu says he doesn't have friends, and you will laugh at him.
If it wasn't me, you would have laughed.
Okay,
For
middle.
sure, it's you.
Grand Octet. Find Bahamut. He's on a cardinal, so we move counterclockwise. Towards street.
We need to sprint, so...
Yep.
I hope you get it.
I'll be fine with it. And sprint.
Streaking.
And middle. Okay, then the tower.
I'm not moving to my tower.
Stay in your towers. Be careful with twisters.
Look back.
And
No
Tina.
back.
Prevention. Oh my lord.
It's
You
fine, it's
didn't
fine.
get the LB? Oh?
I don't know.
How?
Focus up, focus up, focus up,
It's
focus
fine.
up. Potter. Liquid health and then patches. Followed by Twister. Twister move. Quote. In, spread, and then stack. Under there. Spread out. And then stack on one. Stack on one. And then Twister right after. Move. Careful, Twister. Vinton. A bit closer to kill. Tank swap, followed by tank clusters.
Quintania.
Liquid hell baits.
I'll
A little bit on
defend
him.
Quintania.
Twin Tanya.
I am.
Nexus hatches. Followed by Twister. Twister move. Nexus quote. Out, stacked, and
On
spread.
one.
On one, all on one.
Stack.
Right after.
Spread.
Spread out.
But we start.
Twister
Oh,
Twister.
cool.
I got that.
There's one in the middle. One in the middle.
Yep. Come closer to heal up. Alia will be.
Thanks, Will.
On nail. A little bit.
Hold them both at the same time.
Nice.
Nice. We're all good.
How did
I am
get
main
moved?
tanking. I'm starting main tank. I have Indwin.
Okay, look at the mitigation list.
LB melee will be first, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
Will be first.
But stay stacked on them. Even further in.
Me and Ashelia are sharing the first one. I'm Invil next second. Tank was
Okay.
third. Do you have Invil for third, Ashelia?
They should. Keep an eye out just in case. Okay, everyone stay on one. Stay on
Stack one.
Dynamis!
Stack one.
one. Stack one. Just stay stacked.
I'm gonna aim it towards 4. We're gonna stand on 4 to soak it together. Actually.
Do we pot?
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
I didn't pot.
If you
I
have
didn't pot yet.
Stand on 4. Stand on 4.
okay, shared thing. Nexus XFS. Look around the arena. On the left. Nexus Solo Zhao Tank Buster. Stay away from shell. This is with pinball.
And you put it on sensor after?
Next is party stack. Shake hard and dismantle.
No feint?
Okay. Next is accept flares.
I fainted by the way.
In front of
On
Bahamut.
front. On D.
Okay, next is party. So this is gonna be adult zone tactician. Tank LB1. Fine, okay. Next is a Shelia solo. Theory. Shelia.
Oh, maybe we could have kept it actually.
Next is exit flares again. Look around the arena.
Hot. And 2 minutes.
Look for exit flares first.
Two.
On the left.
Jammed it. Oh, the ground.
I got fits. 2 minutes now. If you haven't used them yet. It's gonna be party stack. This is feint, samba, and
Out of feint. 10 seconds.
should be fine.
Yeah, we have
Okay,
LB1.
next is shared tank. Help kill tanks, please. They're taking a lot of damage here. And one more party soak.
Stack on left.
Wait, exit flare, sorry. Right from behind.
In front.
Okay. Melee LB.
Melee LB.
It's
Yeah, it's still.
easy fight.
Nice.
Easy
Nice,
lemon
nice,
squeezy, baby.